Hello, my name is Ashwini Bhagyawadi, student of KLE Dr. M.S. Sheshgiri College of Engineering, Belgaum, studying in 8th semester. I'm an electronics and communication engineer. My seminar topic is real-time road segmentation using LiDAR data processing on an FPGA. This is an image which shows an autonomous vehicle. Autonomous vehicles are self-driving vehicles. Implementing the autonomous vehicles can improve traffic safety, mobility for disabled, and overall change the transport landscape. Traffic scene perception is divided into two subtasks: object detection, which includes vehicle detection, pedestrian detection, and traffic light detection. The second one is road detection, which includes road marking detection, lane detection, and road segmentation. In this work, we are primarily concentrating on road segmentation. Light detection and ranging, that is, LiDAR sensor, is used to monitor the surroundings. When the pictures from LiDAR sensor is taken, they are processed on an FPGA board. FPGA is developed as a customized integrated circuit. It takes the input from LiDAR sensor and performs semantic segmentation by CNN in real time. These are the papers which I have referred. The first highlighted paper is my base paper, that is real-time road segmentation using LiDAR data processing on an FPGA. In this paper, a CNN model is trained to perform semantic segmentation using LiDAR sensor data. A hardware is implemented on an FPGA that can process LiDAR data, perform semantic segmentation by CNN in 16.9 milliseconds. The second paper is ChipNet real-time LiDAR processing for drivable region segmentation on an FPGA. This paper is similar to the above paper. The only difference is the processing time taken in this paper is 17.59 milliseconds and the CNN algorithm used is ChipNet. The third paper which I have referred is exploiting fully convolutional neural networks for fast road detection. In this paper, a visual road detection problem is addressed where we have to classify from the input image where each of its pixels is a road or not. To do this, a CNN method is used, which is network in network. The fourth paper which I have referred is road marking detection and classification using machine learning algorithms. In this paper, road detection and classification is based on machine learning algorithms. In this, the object detection and classification is done by video-based intelligent transportation applications, which is a two-step approach: detection and object classification. Detection is done by Bing method and object classification is done by Picanet. The technologies used are as follows. The first one is LiDAR, the acronym for which is light detection and ranging. It emits laser beams and measures the distance from the reflected ray by time of flight. The second one is FPGA, Field Programmable Gate Array. It is an integrated circuit designed to be configured by customer after manufacturing. FPGA configuration is done using hardware description language, which is also called HDL language. The third one is semantic segmentation. The semantic segmentation is a deep learning algorithm that associates a label with every pixel in an image. In simple words, it names each and every object in an image. The fourth one is Ketty Road benchmarks. Ketty Road benchmarks is a data set and benchmarks for computer vision research in context of autonomous vehicles. This is an image of LiDAR sensor. Now, coming to the methodology, the traffic scene perception is divided into two tasks, that is, object detection and road lane detection, as already said. And here we are primarily concentrating on road segmentation. The input data comes from LiDAR sensor. FPGA can be developed as a customized integrated circuit that can perform massive parallel processing, and due to this massive parallel processing, we are using FPGA. This processing is completed in 16.9 milliseconds. The proposed solution is evaluated on Ketty-Road benchmarks to achieve satisfactory result. The output are usually presented as area on the top view or labeled pixels on camera view. Now let me explain in detail how processing is carried out. The proposed algorithm have three steps, that is pre-processing, neural network processing and post-processing. In pre-processing, the input image is divided into pixels so that we can perform convolutional neural network. During pre-processing, input image points are arranged and projected into 3D blob with m by n tensors and channels so that the tensor can flow through the layers in neural network to produce an output. A tensor refers to a specific view in the real world. Here we are using spherical view for projection scheme. This is the graph which shows 64 scanners and 250 polar angles, that is m into n tensors and c channels. Now coming to the neural network processing, this is the diagram which shows the architecture of convolutional neural network for road segmentation. In this figure, the W stands for width, H stands for height and D stands for dimension. Except for the first and last convolutional layers, those 9 layers in between are constructed using the same structure. Each repetitive structure includes a convolutional layer. The convolutional layer is built with 64 filters. To explain that architecture, I have a simplified figure of convolutional neural network. This figure will help us understand the convolutional neural network method in a simpler manner. CNN is an acronym for convolutional neural network. It has hidden layers called convolutional layers. The circles in the figure represent filters. A convolutional layer receives input, transforms the input into one way and outputs the transformed input. This transformation is convolutional operation. Convolutional layer detects patterns in images. Convolutional layer have filters in them. Here they are represented as circles. So to explain, let me take an example of the input image from the LiDAR, and we are taking an example to detect road from the input image. If the input image is of the resolution say 2 into 2 pixels, then the number of filters will depend upon the pixel size of the image, that is 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So the input layer will have 4 filters. The image of road have been taken in all possible angles and fed into the hidden layer as a data set. The filters in the input layer is compared with each filter in the hidden layer, and when a filter matches, we get an output saying that it is a road or not. So by doing so, each object in an image is named and the output after semantic segmentation is somewhat like this. In the first image, that is the image taken from LiDAR sensor, and in the second image, each and every object has been named. In post processing, the output in post processing, the output from neural network are projected back to target views, that is camera view and top view, for the performance validation. To evaluate the performance of the proposed approach, we train the network on Ketty-Road benchmarks. The actual processing time of neural network implementation on FPGA is about 16.9 milliseconds. So how exactly the hardware implementation is? This is the diagram which can help us understand the hardware implementation. We organize LiDAR data into an image map with 16 channels in the size of 256 into 64. Same convolutional unit is used repetitively. The large 3D convolution can be broken into 64 parallel 2D convolutions, each with 2 filters, followed by an adder tree to generate the feature map, as shown in the figure. We implement this fully convolutional network on Xilinx Ultrascale FPGA. The operating frequency is 350 MHz. Each 2D convolution takes about 18,000 clock cycles. It takes about 16.9 milliseconds to complete all 11 convolutional layers, each with filter depth of 64. Since LiDAR normally scans at 10 Hz, this FPGA implementation fulfills the requirement of real-time processing. That is why FPGA has been well suited in this case. When tested on Intel Xeon CPU, the processing time is about 500 milliseconds. Therefore, the FPGA implementation gains the speed up factor of 30 over CPU. The advantages of autonomous vehicles are it improves the safety of passengers, reduces loss of life and property, fewer accidents are expected. So, I would like to conclude this paper by saying that we propose a neural network based approach for road segmentation using LiDAR data. The neural network is trained with Ketty road benchmarks. The proposed fully connected neural network is implemented on an FPGA with a processing time of only 16.9 milliseconds for each LiDAR scan. These are the references. Thank you.